Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm you have domain admin or delegated rights, and make sure DNS and timesync are healthy. Once done, open the Group Policy Management console and create a new GPO. Use a clear name describing purpose. Then, link that GPO to the target organizational unit or domain. This establishes the scope of application. You do this now so later steps apply predictably. Make sure replication has time to propagate before you edit further. Next, you edit the GPO and choose computer or user configuration depending on the goal. Think about whether settings affect machines or users. Navigate administrative templates, security settings, or preferences to set the policy values. Explain why each setting is chosen so you can audit later. Then apply security filtering or WMI filters to restrict who receives the GPO and use group membership where appropriate. Once configured, comment each change so future admins understand intent and rollback paths. Finally, enforce or adjust link order as needed, then push changes. On a test client, run gpupdate/force so policies apply immediately. You should validate results using gpresult/r and RSOP tools for both user and computer contexts. This proves whether the right settings applied. If things go wrong, check replication and the sysvol share, review event logs, and confirm permissions or apply loopback mode if needed. One key tip: if a GPO seems ignored, verify security filtering and delegation first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.